Gogo's cotton bond Mimutsoning has sparked major pregnancy speculation after sharing a mysterious Instagram post that have many believe was an announcement. The Sangoma turned DJ posted what appeared to be a possible delivery date along with heartfelt wishes for a new baby, leaving her followers convinced that she may be expecting. The emotional hint comes nearly 2 years after the heartbreaking passing of a 2-year-old son, Monde Jr. in September 2024, a loss that deeply moved her supporters across the country. In a post, she even mentioned her wish to breastfeed her next child for up to 6 years, showing how much love and intention she already has for this potential new chapter. After ending her on and off marriage to Monde Shange last year, many are now wondering whether this could signal a reconciliation or if she is embracing motherhood again on her own terms. Either way, her message has inspired conversation about healing, faith, and resilience after unimaginable loss.